Okay, so walk underneath the van area, trying to do the LED conversions and everything. So one of my favorite reverse bulbs are there they are, Oxito Global Supplier. So this ended up being the upgraded, I forget what size this is. Well, there's numbers. Here is the bulb that came out. This is a Toshiba. There you go. So, and this is what I'm putting in. So I found out that the really when you're doing videos and stuff like this, you don't want to be doing lots of anyways. Get this little cargo cover here. Oh, and there's the cool LED light. So the interior lights are LED, but not the exterior. So you pull this cover, and that'll get us into our reverse light. See all the LEDs inside? It's really cool. So yeah, we'll try it out. So there, oh yeah, there it is. There's the new LED. There's the incandescent bulb. Let me get this cover off and get going here. There we go. So we got that pulled out, and so right here is a simple, relatively simple twist. Relatively simple. It's a little smidge tricky, but you get in there and it's kind of a weird tab situation. It hurts the fingers. Oh, ow! Fingers are tired from working on the trailer yesterday. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. Alright, might have to use pliers on that one. But anyways, there it is. Right there. I'll get it out and let you know. Alright, so I got something cool in the mail. Cletus has got the giveaway going for the Z06. And look what I got. The bolts and nuts Cletus variety. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Got a ruby sticker to go along with it. I figured these would be handy. We use the van for the backdrop there. Everything else is kind of dirty. Van's nice and clean. Got something for the van to show you too. But yeah, look at this. 600 pieces. Hand assembled in Perry, Ohio. Bolts and nuts. Cool. We got a Cletus sticker there. Cletus sticker there. I'm going to get a ruby sticker and order that as well. Probably put it right there in the rest of it. Let me get my knife. See what this looks like here. Careful, careful. But this came quick. I think I ordered it Sunday night, something like that. So obviously, you know, ships from a different location than the other merch. But you know, 112 bucks. Got the free shipping free. But it's something I could really use for extra repairs and so forth. So next giveaway, I'll grab the metric stuff. So, but this is a nice grade 8. I'm going to set it down here and pause and come right back to it. Alright, got out of the packaging. You've got the cool decal here to go along with what all your parts are. Look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, I'm happy with this one. Look at all that cool hardware. Yeah. I wasn't so sure about this at first, but now you need a bolt. I don't have to run the Lowe's. They're just right there. No, it'll help if I put stuff back where they're supposed to be. But yeah, look at that nice 1/4 inch stuff, I believe. Yeah. So you got 25 pieces of 1/4 inch. Nice. Down to some really beefy stuff. You got the washers, the nuts to go along with it. This is a pretty cool buy. And like I said, really impressed with how quick it came as well. We'll stick that there for right now. Also said, look at my ruby decal coming. So look at that. Obviously, that's, you know, what the guys use there at the shop as well. A nice partnership going with them. But there's my entries. So we'll see if that gets me the Corvette in the garage. Maybe we'll win the Corvette and kick the van out of the garage. What do you think about that? Alright, anyways, just want to share that. Really impressed with how quick that came and just the neat partnership Cletus has got with that. Well, it worked, and I found out that has remote start as well. Just hit that button twice and it cranks up by itself, but before you can put it in gear, you have to hit run, and the dash kind of gives you that display to let you know. So that was kind of cool. So let me show you the camera, and then we'll show you in the mirror. So here's in the reverse. You can kind of see how bright it is back there. What I should do for a better video is turn these lights off. Let me do that real quick. That's a good idea, because I can't really, these new cars, you can't get out and you know, do this. So this will, there we go. So now it's all dark. Alright, let's show the brake lights. Oh yeah, nice and bright back there. Yeah, rear LED eyes in the back. Watch that mirror. Yep, very cool. Alright, that's a winner. So that's 2 new things learned about the car. So, impressed so far. Unfortunately, we found out my wife was really used to the Apple CarPlay on the Subi 2017 Pacificas did not come with Apple CarPlay, so I'm a little disappointed about that. It really helped her out with navigation and work and audio, phone calls, and the yeah, basically phone calls and GPS signal and so forth. So that's a little disappointing, but we'll figure it out. So the first mods to the car, these. We got the fronts coming. The fronts are confusing to me, but we're working on figuring that out. Oh, there's a cup that needs to get washed. Okay, good. Glad I saw that. Alright, so let me turn the lights on. Thankfully they got the auto feature. There we go, back over to here. There we go. But yeah, these are ridiculous. 2017, and it's got the awesome LED surrounds there, but then it's got, so I'm confused how they work. Let's see what the they're calling them they use 9005s for, okay, and press in, aha, for fog lights, which probably won't work because it's not right, but you press in for fog lights. Yeah, fog lights, for whatever reason you can't use those. We did find out that one of the corner lights here is broken, but this one, yep, this one right here. So I gotta see about replacing that. Maybe there's LED replacements. Anyways, I gotta prep for work tomorrow and go from there. But that's first mod for the van. We'll check in, got the headlights coming next, and then maybe I'll check into one of those dry flow air filters. So thanks for watching, exploring the Pacifica with us, and I'm impressed with these awesome LEDs. Yeah.